Everyone, welcome. My name is Lauren. I'm a homeschooling mom of 3, and today I am sharing things that I am loving this spring. So in my last video, I talked about how winter was definitely rough. I was feeling burnt out. Our family went through a lot of just one thing after another for both January and February. We did it for the most part, but there was definitely days that were rough and that we had to take off, and I feel like we're more behind than I would like to be, but how in spring I usually get a little bit revitalized, rejuvenated to finish out the rest of the school year. So as of right now, it is still almost mid-March, and that second wind has not hit me yet. I'm honestly still a little bit on the struggle bus, or maybe a lot on the struggle bus, but I am hoping that by end of March that I will pick everything back up and we can finish the school year strong. So I am sharing some things that I absolutely love about spring and I'm looking forward to. But first, this video is a collaboration with Gina from Gina B Homeschool. She is putting together this collaboration for homeschool moms who are sharing all things spring, from spring curriculum to homeschool ideas and how to incorporate spring into homeschool and everything in between. So make sure you check out Gina's channel and the entire playlist down below. I will link it in my description box so that you, if you're interested in getting some spring ideas, that you can go check out the other ladies' videos. So to go with the theme, I have my spring shirt on here. I got this, I think, last year from Target. It's still quite chilly out, so I'm wearing a sweater over because it's short sleeve, but I love this shirt. It's just pretty and fun and light and reminds me of spring and summer and warm weather coming. So we don't necessarily have a designated spring curriculum. We never have in the past, and not to say that we never will in the future. It's just nothing we've ever really done before. And so while we don't necessarily do spring themed curriculum, we have kind of, just like our whole homeschool has a totally different vibe to it. We start to go outside more. We are loving outside. We go on walks. We play in the backyard. We have a field behind us where the girls are able to run around and play baseball and just have so much fun. We go on nature walks and we just kind of observe when we are outside. And I think homeschooling has made us definitely more aware of nature. So along with that feeling of motivation and wanting to finish out the school year, this is also when I do all of my curriculum shopping and buying. Sometimes I start early in January and February shopping, but I don't ever purchase anything or finalize till around this time, March or April. That way I just feel like I have everything kind of set and ready to go for the next year. So this is definitely prime time for me to do all of my curriculum shopping and final purchases. Sometimes I do get things here and there in the summertime, especially if I can't make a decision. But again, mostly it is in the spring. This is when I am, getting that excitement, not only to finish this year, but the excitement starting for next year. Next, what I really, really love about spring, and I get so excited for, I've actually shared it over on Instagram a few times back in the summer, is garage sale season, yard sale, whatever you want to call it. We, starting in the spring and then all the way, honestly, through summer and then fall, love to go out as a family on Saturday mornings, most Saturday mornings, and go just to our local neighborhoods and find some great, great treasures at garage sales. I have found so many amazing items throughout the years, from furniture. So I could take you around my house and be like, show you everything we got from garage sale. It's just so fun finding little treasures, and then finding books too. I've gotten so spoiled by paying like 25 cents or 50 cents for picture books that it's really, really hard for me now to buy like full price books online, just because I'm not used to that. I'm used to getting some good picture books for such a great deal. If you are in an area that has them and you have not taken advantage, I urge you to start this spring. It is like addictive. I really love it and look forward to it. And it's also really good family time too. Like, we make really good memories. Sometimes we'll get like bagels or donuts in the morning and coffee and just have a good day of it. So the girls get to earn some money, and they take $1 or $2 a week that they have earned, and they are able to go and get some exciting little treasures for themselves too. So it's really fun. We love to do that as a family. The next thing I'm really loving is planting our flowers. Now, my husband actually plants a garden with like fruits and vegetables, and that's his deal. I feel like a terrible homeschool mom admitting this, but I have zero desire to plant a garden or grow my own tomatoes. I would so much rather like go to the store and buy them. I know it's terrible, but that's a little confession from me. So my husband does that, and the girls do that along with them. And I do think it is really cool to see how it goes from like seeds to the sprouts and, all that. And we are able to, reap the benefit of that hard work. But again, it's just not something I absolutely love doing. However, I do enjoy planting flowers. And so, in my front yard and backyard to have some flower beds. I love the plants and flowers and all of that. I love to see how it comes together. And every year I add a little bit more and update and things like that. So that is something that I look forward to as well. I take the girls and they each are able to pick out their own plant that they want for that season, and then they're able to plant it themselves. So even though we're not doing necessarily like homeschool curriculum that's spring related, we do all of these things together as a family, from gardening, from the seed to the full, fruit or vegetable, to picking out their own plants and saying, okay, well, this plant needs full sun, or, watering the plants, to, budgeting for garage sales. You only have so much money. What can you do? So all these little things that you don't think about are really actually educating them and teaching them really important life lessons. And then lastly, this is not homeschool related at all, but I just wanted to share because I love these so much, is my cleaning and candles. So I know candles and cleaning spray may not be super exciting, but I really want to point out the simple things in life. So little simple things like, we all have to clean anyway, so you may as well enjoy the cleaning products that you're using. Little things like lighting a candle can just really set the mood and the tone and just make everything smell so good and kind of lift and elevate your spirits. A little aromatherapy going on there. And so I just wanted to focus on some simple and basic things that I really enjoy throughout this springtime. So first is my cleaning products. I love these spring inspired cleaning products from Mrs. Meyer's. I either get them from Grove Collaborative or directly from Mrs. Meyer's site. If you order $40 or more from Mrs. Meyer's, then it's free shipping. And I know that sounds like a lot of money at once, but I order a bunch of cleaning products in the spring and in the fall, and it lasts me for spring and summer, and then for fall and winter. And that way I don't have to worry about cleaning products or going to the store and getting them there. I just know that I have them stocked up. So I absolutely love this peony scent. We have honeysuckle, radish, and pear. These scents sound like they would be terrible, but they actually smell really good and really clean. If you don't like scents, then I would stay away from Mrs. Meyer's, but if you love a good, clean scent, I think you can't go wrong. And I love getting them from either Grove or Mrs. Meyer's, only because like the ones from Target are just the basic like lavender and I don't know, lemon, and I don't really love them. I like these specialty ones. And so again, the peony and some of the other ones like the pear and the mint, they're only around in the spring and in the summer, so I stock up for them as well. And then I get some candles. I just get different types of candles. This little one is really good. This is the honeysuckle candle. You can tell how well loved it is. This is a mango one. This one I received from as a gift around Christmas time, and I haven't used it. I've been looking forward to it. I think it's a really gorgeous candle. In the spring and summer, I just love a really fresh scented candle. So this one kind of smells like a clean cotton. It's just a very clean smelling one. These are a little bit more fruity. This one is another clean one. I'm not sure how educational Mrs. Meyer's cleaning spray is, unless we're talking about like domestic life skills, but I guess you need some cleaning in there. So I guess that counts too. But I just wanted to share how these basic and simple things that we might not even think twice about can actually be really educational and can give our children a different viewpoint, and how it can really teach them things without feel like we're being in a formal classroom in a formal setting, but enjoying nature and budgeting and cleaning and all of those things wrapped up into one. Thanks again for watching. Make sure that you check out Gina's channel and the playlist down below if you are looking for some more spring inspiration. Again, it will be in my description box. Thank you so much if you have subscribed to my channel. I truly appreciate you being here. If you have not subscribed, I would love if you would hit the subscribe button. If this video was helpful, please make sure you hit the like button. Thanks again so much. I hope you have the best day, and until next time, I'll see you later.